As a part of the live Kundalini activation process, I would like to share here today's practice, which is also known as Divine Mantra Energy Healing Process. So you can witness this moment with me. Once you start your process of Kundalini awakening, you will also experience this no matter what age you are, no matter what gender you are, no matter what race, region, nation you're living in. You're most welcome to experience this divine power. Now I'm going to make a prayer to Kundalini Skhati Maa to take the control of my body, mind and soul and give me the blessings of divine mantra that is also known as Shashvat Anadi Mantra Healing. Please watch carefully. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. Now you have witnessed this sound and vibration mantras, which we cannot even understand what language it is, what words are there. But this is not about words and what language. This is all about vibrations. Whatever the vibrations is being generated through this process actually works on our immune system and our nervous system. By working on the tongue, it actually works on entire chakras in our body, all 7 chakras. They all get fixed by this energy healing, these vibrations. This is the ritual I do during my Kundalini awakening activation process daily. So know that Kundalini Maa knows everything. You just need to devote yourself. Jai Shri Shakti.